In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an order form in Excel. Creating an order form is a practical way to calculate totals quickly and keep your information organized. In this part of the process, we are going to set up a simple calculation using formulas, and that calculation will help your order form produce the correct results. To begin, look at your Excel worksheet and find the cell labeled C2. You will see that the column C is where the results or totals are typically placed. Click directly on cell C2 so the cursor is active there, and you can type the formula. Taking a moment to confirm you selected the right cell matters, because formulas will only calculate based on the cells you reference. Once C2 is selected, type the formula exactly as shown, equals A2 times B2. In other words, you are telling Excel to multiply the value in A2 by the value in B2, and place the answer in C2. After you type the formula, press Enter. When you press Enter, Excel calculates the result and fills it into cell C2 automatically. This step is the core of the order form logic, because it turns two input values, like quantity and price, into a total cost. Now, after you have the calculation working in C2, you will confirm that the result looks correct. Check that the number displayed in C2 matches what you expect from multiplying A2 and B2. If the inputs in A2 and B2 change later, Excel will update the result automatically. This is one of the biggest advantages of using formulas instead of manually typing totals. With the first calculation confirmed, the next part is to apply the same logic to additional rows in your order form. Move your attention back to cell C2, because you will use it as the reference point for the copy. Excel has a small feature called the fill handle, which is a tiny square at the bottom right corner of the active cell. When you select C2, that fill handle will become visible. Now, drag the formula down to cell C3. Click and hold the fill handle in C2, then move your mouse downward until the target cell C3 is reached, and then release. As you drag, you may notice a preview of where the formula will go. When you release the mouse button at C3, Excel will automatically copy the formula and adjust the cell references for the new row. That means the formula will calculate A3 times B3 and place the result in C3. This adjustment is important because each row in an order form represents a different item or line of the order. By dragging the formula, you avoid repeating the same steps for each row. Instead, Excel updates the references to match the row you are working on, keeping everything consistent across the form. After the drag is complete, click on cell C3 to verify the calculation. Make sure the value in C3 matches what you expect for multiplying the values in A3 and B3. If you later fill more rows, you can drag further down, and Excel will continue to calculate totals for each line item in the same way, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.